Consider this example. We're asked to work out this, and you can see here we have a multiplication, and of course whatever the result of that is will be divided by this number here. Let's move on and show the workings to this problem. Let's take the 0.3, and we can see we can move the decimal point to here to make it a whole number, and we will have moved this decimal point one time. We can now work on the 0.5, and we can move the decimal point to this position to give us the whole number of 5, and of course this would have resulted in us moving the decimal point just the once. The total number of moves are 2 times across both of the numbers. So we can take this 3 and 5 and multiply them together to give us 15, which we then can write as 15.0, so we can see exactly where the decimal point should lie in the number. Because we move the decimal point twice, we've in fact made the result of 15 100 times too big. So what we now need to do is to move the decimal point in a direction that makes the number 15.0 100 times smaller. This will involve moving the decimal point twice, once, twice. This will give 0.15. So the calculation now becomes 0.15 divided by 0.015. We now multiply the top and bottom of this new calculation by 1000. This will not change the ratio between the top and bottom of the fraction, and it will therefore allow us to change the numbers into whole numbers where the division process will become easier. So it is a case of moving the decimal place 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and because we've moved it 3 times, we have to put a 0 here. I have also put a 0 here so we can easily identify the position of the decimal point. And of course, this will become equal to 150, which we know is 1000 times bigger than this 0.15. We can now turn our attention to the number on the bottom, and we can see we move the decimal point once, twice, 3 times. We can see that this gives us 15 on the bottom, and of course 150 divided by 15 is equal to 10. The original calculation of 0.3 times 0.5 all divided by 0.015 is therefore equal to 10.